Biggins. Popcorn Biggins. Popcorn Biggins bonito. Yeah, I'll get on your beak. You got it on your beak. You got it on your beak too, Zeldy. You guys got it on your beaks. What's going on around the cob? Dirty beak boy. Look at that dirty beak. Static cling on the beak. Yosh. Yosh. Oh, it's getting clingy. Super clingy on that dirty beak. Oh, you gotta clean your dirty beaks. That piggy. Get in there. Cockatiel point of view. Bonito, you can't handle it. You can't handle it. It's all over your beak. Oh, oh, bouncing around. Kaneli, it's stuck on your beak. Kaneli, it's coming to Kaneli. Oh, Kaneli. Hey, Kaneli. It's eating. It's Kaneli's birthday popcorn. Yosh. Kaneli, here's the big piece. Oh, get the cob. Kaneli, get the cob. You got staticky beak. You get it, Kaneli. Oh, bonito. Yeah, beak it up. Get it. That's how we do it. Dirty beak. These guys, what are they doing? Oh my god. Whoa. Piggies. Whoa. Go get it, bonito. Go get it. It's so yummy. Uh-oh, another one's coming in. Phoenix, get that cob. Get that cob. Beak it up. Beak it up. Yosh. Ho, 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 ho. You got some in your schnoz. Bonito. Going back for the cow. Going back for the cow. The source of the goodies. Look at that. Cling on your beak. Zeldy. You got clingy beak too. Mm-hmm. Wow. Look at that dirty beak, bonito. Dirty boy. Whoa, gotta shake it off. Bonito, hey! Phoenix, what are you doing? Oh. Piggies. 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 Zelda, what are you afraid of? What are you running from? Kaneli, still getting your piece. You're going for the cob again, bonito. With that dirty beak. That dirty beak. Yosh. Kaneli's 13. Her birthday, hatch day. Bonito's will be in 2 days. He'll be 13. I think they're brother and sister. I'm not sure. Yeah! Yeah, he's good. You got that clingy beaky. Schmutz on the beak. Good birdies. Kaneli, you do a trick while you're eating? Probably not. What if I said, shake it, baby? Kaneli, shake it. She won't do the trick because she's already got treats. Look at that schnoz, bonito. Look at that schnoz. Look at your schnoz. Dirty boy. Yeah, it's happy. Kaneli. Whoa, you cleaned it. Look at you, though. You don't even know it's on your beak. You piggy. Zeldy, Shadow. Mocha's coming in. Mocha, Mocha. Mocha, get some Mocha. Mocha, go get it. Moki. Mocha, go get it. Mocha, don't run. Come back. Oh my god. There's Phoenix. Hi, Phoenix. Where to bloop bloop? There you go. Yummy. Oh, you got it. Zeldy, don't run. You chicken. You chicken. Oh boy. Oh. Yummy, yummy. Shadow has some on his beak. He's a dirty boy now. Wowee. Shadow. These pigs. Look at them go. Bonito. Shake it. Bonito. You don't care. He's too busy eating. What if I give you some there? There you go. Oh. Bonito. Yummy. Get it. Oh my gosh. It's a Perla. She's scared.